You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, India started its national polio immunization drive on the 31st of January. But India has been impacted so much by the pandemic that it inadvertently made its way into the polio immunization drive. Well, in what can be termed a glaring medical lapse, 12 children in Yavatmal district of Maharashtra were administered drops of hand sanitizer instead of oral polio vaccine doses. Yes, you heard that right. This incident was reported from Bhanbora Primary Healthcare Center in one particular village in Yavatmal district. All the 12 children who were administered sanitizer drops were below the age of 5. So how are the children now? Well, the children were admitted to the government medical college and fortunately their condition is said to be stable. However, this incident came to light when one of the children experienced vomiting and uneasiness. So why did this happen? Lack of proper training could certainly be one major reason. As per preliminary investigation, 3 healthcare workers, that is one doctor, one Anganwadi Sevika and one Asha volunteer were present at the PHC at the time of the incident. It is being probed as to whether these 3 healthcare workers were given adequate training when it comes to administering the polio drops. But at this point, I would like to draw your attention to this particular picture. Well, this is what was administered to the children. If you watch closely, this container does not say anywhere that it is a hand sanitizer. It only says handtizer. A quick Google search will tell you that such a word does not really exist. With the COVID-19 pandemic well and truly making its place, there is certainly a need to have proper labeling of items like hand sanitizers. Big, bold wordings on the label and a common label at that would go a long way in keeping confusion and lapses such as this at bay. But on the other hand, polio drops are stored in properly labeled bottles that have a vaccine viral monitor which is of a particular color, indicating that the proper temperature for storage is being maintained. And the bottles of polio drops look the same across the country. So does that mean that the 3 healthcare workers simply had no idea what they were doing? It certainly looks like it. The lack of solid labeling on the hand sanitizer and the fact that the healthcare workers simply had no clue what polio bottles look like seem to have paved the way for this particular goof up. I would also like to take this opportunity to tell you that hand sanitizers should never be administered internally and they are only meant for external application. Health officials have time and again sufficiently warned that drinking hand sanitizers could cause a headache, blurred vision, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, loss of coordination, decreased level of consciousness and even coma. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you've liked the content that I've presented, make sure you like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.